Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to add photos to your Instagram Reels really easily right within the Instagram Reels app without having to use any external apps or software or anything like that. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is go to your camera roll in your phone and navigate to the photo that you want to include in your reel. And once you have that photo pinpointed and you know what photo you want to do, you're gonna take a screen recording and you just go down to the top right of your screen and it's in the bottom right here. You can Google it, YouTube it, whatever. It's super easy to find or to add into that screen if you don't already have it in that menu. But once you start recording your screen, you're literally just gonna pull up, say I want this photo of me and my dog in a reel. I'm literally just gonna pull up this photo, sit here for a few seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it down. You can stop the screen recording. Another thing here too, when you're screen recording your photo, you can zoom in on it so that it takes up the entire screen while you're recording. So you can just take that section of the recording. And so your photo is literally like the entire screen. There's no like black space, but it just depends on what you want, how much of the photo you want in it. And once you have that, your screen recording should be saved in your phone. So you'll see I have my screen recording here with my still photo, and this video can then be uploaded to your Instagram. So when you go to your Instagram, go to your Reels, swipe up, and it's gonna be that last one right here. And you're literally just gonna crop in on the part of the video that you wanna use. So I'm gonna use the one that's cropped in all the way and choose how much of it that you want. And then there you go. Now it's in your reel and you can do this. You can upload as many videos as you want that are screen recordings of photos that you want in your reel. And this is just the fastest and easiest way I found to be able to do this versus having to use, I mean, you can obviously do it like in iMovie. It's a free program on a MacBook or an iMac. You can do it in iMovie on your phone. You can do it in Splice. You can do it in Video Shop. There's so many different programs, but this is the fastest and easiest way. And I'm looking for fast and easy when it comes to making reels. So I really hope this video helped you guys. If you liked it, hit subscribe down below because I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday to help you grow on your Instagram and to help you just grow your small business. And I would love to have you just following along. And if you have any questions about this, drop a comment down below. I'd love to help you guys. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.